When people compare Tinder and Hinge, it really comes down to what kind of dating experience they want. Tinder is still the largest and fastest platform, built for quick swipes, instant matches, and a massive pool of users. Great if you're open to casual dating or just want to see who's out there. It's simple, visual, and fast paced. But because of that, it can feel shallow and unpredictable, with lots of unmatched chats and ghosting. Hinge, on the other hand, is designed to slow things down. Instead of swiping, you like or comment on specific prompts or photos, which encourages real conversation and reveals more personality. It naturally attracts people who are tired of surface level matching and are leaning towards something intentional, maybe even long term. But it also means fewer matches and a smaller dating pool. So it may feel quieter or slower compared to Tinder's constant activity. In short, Tinder gives you volume and variety, while Hinge gives you depth and connection. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.